Hi, today we will solve the 88th Leetcode problem, merge sorted array in JavaScript. Let's read the description. You are given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, sorted in non-decreasing order, and two integer m and n representing the number of elements in nums1 and nums2 respectively. Merge nums1 and nums2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be stored inside the array nums1. To accommodate this, nums1 has a length of m plus n, where the first m elements denote the elements that should be merged, and the last n elements are set to 0 and should be ignored. Nums2 has a length of n. So let's investigate the examples. In the first example, nums1, it has like m equal to 3, so this means that these three numbers are important, and after that there are zeros. And the second array is nums2, and here there are three numbers, n equals to 3. And so let's understand how we will form this output array. So first we compare like this number and the last number of this last important number of this array, 3 and 6. So 6 is greater, so here should be 6. Then the next number should be 5, the next is 3, then 2, 2 and 1. Well, so it is like the array nums1 after merge of these two arrays, sub-arrays. And here there are like two more examples with some important cases, like a case when the first array has only one element and the second one has 0 elements, or if we don't take any element from the first array and take only one element from the second one. Well, let's discuss how we will solve this. This problem. So let's copy the examples here and discuss. Well, so as you can notice that we went through both this and this array and compared the last elements. Then if we taken this element, we just shifted to the previous element. What does this mean? This means that we can just use two pointers that point to the first sub-array and the second array. Like pointer 1 is pointed to the last to the index of the last important element that equals to m minus 1, last important element of the first array, first sub-array. And this the same is for the second pointer that points to the last elements in the second array. It's n minus 1. And we have like one more important pointer p that that is for the for the index of the element of the result, last element of the resulting loop. And the last index of the last element of this resulting loop is m plus n minus 1. Like the size of this array. And how we will behave. So it should be like the while loop, and here we compare like p1 is greater or equal to 0 and p2 is greater or equal to 0. And we can compare, so in every iteration we can compare if like nums 1 p1 p1 is greater than nums 2 p2 with index p2. If it is greater, we just assign its value to the nums 1 with index pi, index p. And what is important here more, so we should decrease the index p1, and in the opposite case we just need to perform the opposite operation. So we should like assign p2 within p2th element of nums2 to nums 1p and p2 minus minus. And what is important in both cases, we should decrease index p. And we here we have like we could have like one more important case when p1 was already so nums1 like subarray was already finished, and so we took all elements from here, or there are no or m equals to 0, for example, and this array still exists. So in this case we won't get in this array, because p1 should be equals should be greater or equal than 0. In this case we should compare we should take only like half of this conditions and actions. So here we should compare only p2 with 0, and we should assign only p2 part to the nums, and p2, just a second, so here we should like shift this like this. Well, it looks like we have done, and let's check. Yes, everything is done. Let's check. Yes, we can see that 3 cases are accepted, and we can submit. Yes, we can see that our solution beats 100% of submissions, and it is good. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.